Hello YouTube, I am Akshay Chauhan and welcome to the 10th video of the Python series, and in this video we are going to learn about file handling. So let's start. First we will open an file. So to open an file we will first write my file. It's a variable my file is equal to open, and then we will write file name, and then we will write access mode. Yeah, so now what is file name and what is access mode? File name is the name of file that we are going to save. In this first session I am going to tell you how to save a file. So file name is a name of the file that we are going to save. And now what is access mode? Access mode is that what we will do after opening the file. Let's say if we are going to read the file, or we are going to write in the file, or we are going to append in the file, etc. So let me first explain you about access modes. So what is access mode? The access mode specifies what we will do with the file after we open it. There are four access modes. Basically there are four access modes that are R, that is used for read, W for write, A for append, and B that is used to open binary files. So these are the four access modes. Now let's create an file. Let me start. So now I will create a file and save some data in it. Let me create a file. Let's say now we will open a file. Let's say I am going to write about myself in that file. So I will write my file. It's a variable. You can enter any name you like. Open. Now I will write the name of the file which I want to say. Let's say I want to name the file akshay.txt. That's it. And now I need to write the access mode as, yeah, I forgot to tell you something about two modes that are, as we W is for write and A is for append. Write means that if we got a file name akshay or a.txt, it will overwrite the file. W will overwrite the existing file if there is an existing file, and append will add the data at the end of the file. So that's the difference. If we want to overwrite the file, we will use W. Or let's say if we are writing logs, then deleting previous data is not an option, so we use append. So let's start. So now here I am writing a new file, and there is no file called akshay.txt. As you can see, my desktop, it is empty. So I am going to write, so I will use W as access mode. So let's move further. I open my file. Now I will write my variable name, that is my file dot write. And now here I will write whatever I want to write, like say I am Akshay, and let's move on to our next line. And let's say my file dot write. Follow me on Facebook at Akshay Kishore Chauhan. Yeah, so I'm going to write this in my file, and yeah, remember to close the file. So to close the file we will write my file dot close. So why to close the file? That if the program runs and the file is remained open, there may occur any error, and if when next time we are going to open that file, we may face errors that the file is already opened in other program or something like that. So now let's try and see what happens. As you can see here, nothing is the output, and here akshay.txt file is created. Now let's try to open this file and see what's in it. So in akshay.txt I can see the lines which I added before. So now I will tell you difference between W and write and append. Instead of W, if I write here A and here I write this is what I can do with append, and let's say bye, and let's try to run this program and see what happens. Now if we open this file, let me close, yeah, now if I open this file, you can see this is what I can do with append by. That's the difference. Now if in the program, where is my program, yeah, no, this is not. If instead of A I write W and now run the program, you see the file is overwritten and previous data is deleted. So this is the main difference between write and append access mode. Now let's move further in our session. Now we are going to learn about CSV files. CSV stands for character separated values. So this is a file which we can open in Microsoft Excel, and the data is separated by commas, and yeah, we can change the separated value, that is comma, we can add a semicolon or any other special characters instead of commas. So each row in an CSV file represent a single record of data. So that we will do next, and first I will show you that if I got a file, let's say this is my akshay.txt, and here I write hi, let me edit it first, and here I write this is my first line, and in the next line, hi, this is my second line, and now let me save this, and let me go to my program. Yeah, now what I will do, I will try to read from my file. Okay, so what I will do, instead of W I will write R, and I will close all this, and yeah, now I will make a variable called file. So see, there are two methods of reading a file. First method is reading whole file at once, and the other method is reading file line by line. So first I will show you reading whole file at once. Let's say file content is content. Content is the name of my variable, and file content, and spelling is wrong. File content. So file content is equal to my file dot read, and now let me try to print file content. Now let me see in there. So here you can see that whole the text file, the whole data from the text file is printed here. Hi is my first line. What here I supposed to write this, no problem. Hi, this is my second line. So now this is a way of reading whole file at once. Now I will tell you how to read line by line. So what we have to do, let me name it FIRST, first line. So here I will write first line is equal to my file dot read line, that's it. And in next line, let's say second line is equal to my my file dot read line, and here I will print first line, and in next line I will print second line. So let me recheck the program. Let me run the program. So here you can see, hi, this is my first line, hi, this is my second line, and I can show the lines by lines. That's what I mean to say. So now what we will do, now in this session of video we are going to read a CSV file. So first let me make a CSV file. I will convert this file into CSV file. So let's say I will write names and ages. Let's say my name is Akshay, and I will separate the data by comma, and Akshay and my name age is 19, and let's say my friend Baljot and his age is 20. Let's say Nikhil, his age is 21. Dhruv, his age is 22. Yeah. So let's say I got a list of my 4 friends and their ages, and let me save it. And yeah, I need to save it in CSV format. As this tutorial I'm going to show you about CSV files, so let me save it akshay.csv. Yeah, I will change. So this is CSV format, and now we will read from CSV format. So let's start. So to use to read CSV files, we need to import CSV class, CSV library. So we need to write our keyword called import and CSV file. So let's start. Now what we will do, we will write with, now we will open the file. Our file name was akshay.csv. then we will add access mode, as we are going only to read, so we'll open with read. So open file name as, say, my CSV, and colon, remember to put the colon, and then we will write, let's say, data from file is equal to, now see, CSV dot reader and my CSV, and let's go to next line. We will type for row in data from file print print row. Let's see what this program will do. So this program, as you can see, printed the data, that is Akshay 19, Baljot 20, Nikhil 21, Dhruv 22. So what actually is this? Let me show you. Yeah, so import CSV, as we know, this is the name of the library or name of the class. Then what is this with, as, and this colon? So this is, let's say, I am opening the CSV, my file, as my CSV, as this variable, not directly this. So what this will do, so with this syntax, we save the program from crashing. Sometimes if the file is opened in another program, so it will show us an error, and this will not show, and this is a good way, that's fine. So let's move further in our tutorial. So this is the way of printing this. So now what if we want to print data in, like, I want to print Akshay in this row, and then age in next row. My num lock is off. Yeah, age in next row, then Baljot, and then age is here. So to do that, we can use nested if. So to use nested if, here I will write for value in row, for value in row, print value. Let's make new line. Now let's try to run and see what happens. Oh, slash n. What happens? Oh, I'm recycling again here. Let me get it. Yeah, so you can see Akshay, then values 19, Baljot 20, Nikhil 21. So this was about this. Now let's say, yeah, now let's say if we do not like the previous way of printing, let's say, what was it here? If you do not like the way that the program outputs this, you can manipulate it. What you have to do, you have to write print, then in print we will write quotes, comma, and then dot, and then join, and name of variable row. Now let's see what happens. The two items are joined by commas. Even if I do some creativity here, I write, instead of single quotes I write double quotes and then single quotes s, and here I write age is space quotes close. Now if I run it, Akshay's age is 19, Baljot's age is 20, Nikhil's age is 21, and Dhruv's age is 22. So this is up to us what we want to do and everything. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for the Python videos, and there is a lot more stuff videos coming on hacking, security. So stay tuned. Thank you.